Many dream of having their very own hot tub to relax in the warm jets after a stressful day at work, or meditate in the morning in the hot water with a steaming cup of coffee, or splash and giggle in it with the kids while you soak up quality time together. Whatever the reason to want a hot tub, whether for relaxation or therapy, for many, the dream of owning a hot tub can seem unattainable. They're often seen as pricey, starting around $3,000, and they could easily go north of $10,000 depending on the size, number of jets, and other options. Also, traditional hot tub installations typically require city permits, proper grading, drainage, and complicated electrical setups to provide a 240-volt outlet for the hot tub pumps. Add the complications of maintenance, water testing, and chemicals, and the whole affair of buying a hot tub can be quite intimidating. But here's the exciting part. There's a solution, and it's making hot tub dreams more achievable than ever. The inflatable hot tub. In this video, we'll delve into the benefits and considerations to help you decide if this is the key to making your hot tub dreams come true. But before we jump in, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. So, what is an inflatable hot tub? Inflatable hot tubs are exactly what they sound like. Portable, easy to set up hot tubs that can be inflated and deflated. They come in various sizes, from cozy two-person tubs to larger models that can accommodate family and friends. They're gaining in popularity for several reasons. First up, affordability. The inflatable hot tub entry price is, get this, 1/10 the entry price of a traditional hot tub. Inflatable hot tubs start around $350 for a two-person tub. Four-person inflatable tubs will sell for around $450, while a six-person tub can cost up to $850 depending upon the manufacturer and options. Inflatable hot tubs are incredibly easy to install, requiring no professional assistance. No need for costly permits or major landscaping changes. Just find a deck, balcony, or even a flat patch of grass. Then unpack, inflate, attach the pump and control panel, fill with water, and plug into a regular outlet. Soon, you'll be on your way to Relaxation City. But after setting up your inflatable hot tub, don't rush to put on your Speedo or bikini, because it's going to take a while to heat up. You probably won't be feeling that sweet, sweet heat until at least 24 hours later. So, pop some popcorn and binge watch a couple episodes of your favorite series, as patience is a virtue here. Also, inflatable hot tubs might not maintain temperature as efficiently as traditional hot tubs. Although they have heaters and can reach water temperatures of up to 104 degrees, you can expect inflatable hot tubs to start losing heat after taking off the lid and jumping in. While the heat loss can take some time during warmer months, it may be noticeable during the winter season. While there are exceptions, most inflatable hot tubs have bubble jets, which disturb the water with bubbles. Many find the bubble jets hypnotic and relaxing. But if you're a fan of high-powered water jet back massages, you might find inflatable hot tubs a little lacking in this department. Setting up and taking down an inflatable hot tub can be time-consuming. While inflatable hot tubs are portable, they are not compact and light. Deflating and packing up an inflatable hot tub can be a process, and it will definitely eat up space in the transport vehicle. And you're going to want to make sure you are careful during transport to ensure it does not come in contact with any sharp objects and potentially ruin your holiday plans. While the cost to buy an inflatable hot tub is much cheaper than a traditional hot tub, you may find your electric bill increasing with the use of the inflatable hot tub. Some find turning off the hot tub during the week and using it only on weekends may help manage an additional electric bill. But remember to think ahead so you can have that warm water retreat on Saturday morning. In discussing inflatable hot tubs, we need to address the obvious: durability. Of course, inflatable hot tubs cannot be expected to last as long as traditional tubs. But how long can one expect the useful life of an inflatable hot tub to be? Well, the answer to this depends on two things: how well it is looked after and how well it is made. Some owners report problems after only a few months of ownership, while others can last up to 5 years. Maintaining the filters and chemical levels and ensuring the pump and heater are free of clogs and tiny debris will help. The average lifespan seems to be around 2 to 3 years with regular maintenance. Some find the appearance of an inflatable hot tub less appealing than a permanent spa, but many people find the benefits of having a therapeutic hot tub outweigh these perceptions. I set up this Intex 6-person Pure Spa inflatable hot tub on the balcony of a beautiful island home with breathtaking jungle views. Click here or in the description to see my unboxing, setup, and review of this Intex inflatable hot tub. Let's delve deeper into the foot and leg space differences between traditional hot tubs and inflatable hot tubs. Traditional hot tubs are renowned for their thoughtful design, often featuring specific footwells and molded seating arrangements that cater to various body sizes and shapes. These footwells and specialized recliner seating allow bathers to stretch out their legs comfortably, offering a more relaxed and spacious experience. On the other hand, inflatable hot tubs generally feature a flat bottom design. While they offer cozy atmosphere and are incredibly portable, the absence of dedicated footwells and molded seats means that bathers might need to sit cross-legged or with bent legs. The differences in design can affect overall leg space and comfort level. However, there are supplementary accessories available to improve the sitting experience in inflatable hot tubs. Some manufacturers offer detachable seats specifically designed to fit into inflatable hot tubs. These seats provide bathers with elevated seating positions, offering more ergonomic support and allowing for more traditional sitting posture. So who should consider an inflatable hot tub? Well, if you have limited space, a tight budget, or looking for a temporary hot tub solution, inflatable hot tubs are worth considering. Inflatable hot tubs offer an accessible and convenient way to enjoy the benefits of a hot tub. They're budget-friendly, easy to set up, and can provide moments of relaxation and connection. It's all about finding the perfect fit for your lifestyle.